We're going to continue looking at different standard or non-standard units that you can use to find the area. Let's go ahead and begin, and you can follow along on page 308 in your book. In other words, you're measuring the inside of an object. So remember, when we are looking for the area, we are counting how many unit squares are in the total item. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. There are a total of 32 square units. That's because there are 32 total square units in this picture. So we can count the squares to find the area of this unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at the size of the unit squares. The second one is it larger, and the first one is smaller. Practice some examples of using these unit squares. Number 1 says, which of these shapes has an area of 5 square units? How do you know? Let's look at this first shape, and we can number the square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one has 5 square units. Let's label this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one also has 5 square units. Make sure you are writing this down in your class kick. But they both have an area of 5 square units because there are 5 boxes. If you need to pause the video so you can type this out, you may pause the video now. Number 2. Draw unit squares to cover the figures and find the area. So we need to draw them the same size. So this first one is very large, so that would give me 2 square units. This second one is smaller, so that one would give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square units. In the activities below, you will get 2 shapes with different square units, and you'll have to divide them into that size. Make sure you are relating if you want to start from the bottom where the shape is, so then you can split it in half or into fourths. You may use that. There's also another tool that will help you as you are drawing out these area models. This line tool you can use to connect different spots. So for number 3, I can find the area of the first one. Now remember, square units, all of them are the same size. So I'm making them all the same length using that line tool. And then I can do my rows by making them horizontal. Now if my squares look the same as the bottom, then that is correct. I can count my area after I have them all in. I'll double check that all of my squares look the same size. And then I can find my area by counting each one or by using the rows and columns like an array. So I'm going to use the rows and columns. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. And I know that 7 times 4 equals 28. So there are 28 square units. I'll also do the beginning of 5 with you using the line tool again. Actually, we'll do the second part of 5. See that the beginning size, I can line it up like this. So I have my starting size and then make equal lines all the way across. Now if you make a line and you have to move it, you can just click on it and move it to the side. Alright, so I have equal lines all the way across, and then I need to make the height so it matches. So this box right here looks the same as this square unit. And then I can count all of them up to find the total area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my area is 16 square units. Make sure you have that written down on yours. And I will give you parts of the answers for the other one to help you come up with the correct drawing or area.